Sleepy? Not enough energy at work? Do you need to boost up your stamina? Or increase your endurance? Are you tired of taking medicines? Or sick of buying expensive maintenance? Global fears spread over coronavirus. Are you afraid of losing job because of health issues? Are you afraid of risking your own health upon going to work? You might feel devastated looking at your sick kids. Or let alone losing your child because of the virus. Don't worry, because I have good news for you. In this video, you will learn about Herbalife Nutrition.
Why am I not losing weight? Why isn't the scale moving? What's going on?
It's very frustrating because it's like no matter how hard I try, I can't get rid of it.
Hearing all of those negative comments, you know, like he's just a blob.
You feel like you're fighting an uphill battle and you're never gonna win.
I would literally starve myself sometimes.
I was at work one day and I looked down and my stomach was touching the gas tank, and it was my oh wow moment.
I remember stepping on the scale and I was 2 pounds lighter than my father.
Around 12 years old, I really ballooned. High school, I ballooned even more. And then college, I was a balloon.
I didn't have friends in elementary because of my weight. Nobody wanted to be friends with the big girl.
Got up to like 400 pounds and I have these big old black marks like on my face because like, you know, like once you get big, like it starts to like wear on like your whole body.
One day my son came up to me and asked me to go play with him, and I just didn't have the energy.
I've tried literally everything.
And so you do the next thing to think that's gonna work, and then that doesn't work, and so you spiral again. It's kind of, it's lonely.
It's just this way that I see myself, and I want it so bad. It's just really hard, like mentally, spiritually, emotionally, I feel alone.
I really don't have anyone that's there to kind of be my accountability.
I believe my role as an Herbalife Nutrition distributor is to really set powerful goals with somebody. Like, I want to be there alongside them.
She opened my eyes to see it's not just turkey, let's get some fish in there, let's get some vegetables in you. It was very personalized.
That's what we all need in weight loss, is finding someone that they can relate to and talk to and have that same story with.
We try to get them the best support system, constantly pushing them to get the best results and be the best version of themselves.
I have met a ton of people here, so not only are we a workout family, we're actually friends and family outside of here now.
I keep on reading like different things, like different body types and everything. Like I think that you need more like information.
It wasn't until I came at Herbalife that I learned how to eat right, and I learned about my nutrition and working out. I am the healthiest I've ever been. I'm a little bit leaner, you know, a little bit stronger.
I want a better health journey for myself and to lose weight.
Every morning I start my day with an Herbalife Nutrition shake. I feel the healthiest that I've ever been since I've taken them.
I like being out and having people and having, I guess, the motivation around you.
I started working out twice a day because I had so much more energy, I didn't know what else to do with it.
I got tremendous results. It was the greatest results I had ever received.
Now when my son asks me to shoot some hoops, I wear him out.
It's not just a product. We really provide community, we provide support, we provide one-on-one accountability. Giving them that personalized experience, that's the distributor difference.
And I feel like that's what's gonna make all the difference in the world.
Our purpose is bold, yet simple, to make the world healthier and happier. And our mission, which we have been on since 1980, is a mission for nutrition, helping to guide people to reach their nutrition, fitness, and business goals. The opportunity to help others is growing every day due to several global megatrends. These trends include the obesity epidemic, aging populations, surging healthcare costs, and the rise of entrepreneurship for people of all ages. Herbalife Nutrition is the #1 brand in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined. Our range of high-quality nutrition products can help your customers achieve inspiring results with the right balance of healthy nutrition, activity, and support. Whether it's our great-tasting Formula One Healthy Meal Nutritional Shake Mix, targeted nutrition boosters and beverage mixes, digestive health products, an elite sports nutrition line, or our skincare line, we cater to a variety of nutrition needs. And we substantiate the effectiveness of our products scientifically with a team of over 300 scientists, including more than 40 PhDs, and we operate 5 specialized ISO-certified Herbalife innovation and manufacturing facilities. We also have long-term relationships with our suppliers and can trace our key ingredients back to the farms and fields where they're planted, cultivated, and harvested.
Are you always tired and stressed at work?
The health benefits associated with exercise are vast. In fact, regular exercise has been linked to improved heart health, improved bone density, improved joint mobility, improved cognition, improved mood, enhanced metabolic function, and increase in muscular mass, tone, and strength. The list goes on. But during stressful times, one of the greatest benefits of performing regular exercise is its ability to make the activities of everyday life feel easier. The body's natural release of endorphins is enhanced during bouts of physical activity, and this surge in happy hormones can boost your mood, boost your confidence, and help reduce your levels of stress and anxiety.
Do you need to boost up your stamina as well as endurance?
There are some theories that suggest exercising on a regular basis is beneficial for immunological health, as it can have a positive effect on your body's ability to remain well and fight off common illness. The temporary rise in body temperature can discourage certain bacterial growth, and the stress relief benefits of exercise helps to keep you feeling at your best.
The following health tips will help you boost up your immune system too.
Malnutrition leads to suppression of immune function and infections, while increased abdominal fat and obesity leads to overactivity of the immune system and inflammation. You can boost your immune health with balanced nutrition and a healthy, active lifestyle supplemented with vitamin D and other vitamins and minerals. You can balance your immune function by reducing hidden vegetable oils in processed or cooked foods you eat, and by increasing the amount of fish oils or ocean-caught fish in your diet.
Let us find out the 3 key ingredients towards a happier life.
Hi, I'm Dr. Luigi Groton with Herbalife Nutrition. If you're trying to manage your weight and also make sure your body gets the right nutrition, you're not alone. Formula One Healthy Meal Nutritional Shake Mix is a delicious meal replacement formulated with a nutrient-dense combination of 9 grams of protein, 21 vitamins and minerals, including antioxidants, and fiber to support weight management and overall health. People all over the world love this shake. In fact, 1.6 billion servings were sold in 2018 alone. So I'm confident you'll find the flavors you love. You can also mix it with our protein drink mix for an extra 15 grams of protein. Our Formula One Healthy Meal is available in a variety of great tasting flavors: French vanilla, banana caramel, cookies and cream, Dutch chocolate, and so many more. Your wellness coach can help you find recipes you'll love. It's called herbal aloe. The aloe vera plant has been used for thousands of years and is prized for its health and beauty properties. Our herbal aloe is a premium quality aloe vera product designed to promote healthy digestion, relieve occasional indigestion, and support nutrient absorption and intestinal health. We refine the aloe ingredients to create a 0-calorie beverage for healthy digestion that is tasty and refreshing. Try any of our delicious herbal aloe concentrate flavors by simply adding 3 capfuls to 4 ounces of water, or enjoy our herbal aloe ready to drink any time of the day to support your digestive health. It also tastes great with any of our herbal tea concentrate flavors. My favorite's original. Discover yours too. Our herbal tea concentrate can help you jumpstart your metabolism and give you a boost to help you feel revitalized. This refreshing tea contains caffeine, and it's available in a variety of delicious flavors. You can enjoy it hot or cold, and it's perfect to help you feel energized anytime throughout the day. Give it a try and order your favorite flavors today.
The Herbalife Nutrition is also great immune boosters for kids.
Feed your child's potential and fuel those imaginative brains with Kids for Healthy Development. Made with choline to support normal neurological function and calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D to support healthy teeth and bones, this powdered shake booster provides essential, everyday nutrition to support your child's overall health and wellness. Plus, the convenient packet makes it easy to enhance your child's Herbalife Nutrition Formula 1 shake for a healthy snack on the go. Simply boost, blend, and let them enjoy.
Good news for men out there. This Herbalife Nutrition is not only for women or kids, but for men too.
Most men only get about half of the 38 grams of fiber that they need every day. And so that means more fruits, more vegetables, more whole grains. Many men don't get enough magnesium. Now, this is a mineral that's very important for literally hundreds of functions in the body. And this, again, is found in whole grains and leafy green vegetables, for example. Many men don't get enough potassium. And potassium is important for nerve and muscle function. And you find it again, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and dairy products. And lastly, men don't get enough vitamin D, which is important for bone health. And it's found in fortified dairy products and seafood. So the bottom line is to get your vitamin D, your magnesium, your potassium, and your fiber, more fruits, more vegetables, more seafood, more dairy products, and you've got it covered.
So, if you feel like unmotivated, then try Herbalife's products. Because a happy life definitely starts with you. Try Herbalife Nutrition and see the results yourself. Thank you for watching, and please give us a thumbs up.